even though they look a lot alike.
Yeah, the only difference is that the patterns are slightly different on the backpack.
Exactly. That's exactly right. Which means that what we can do is treat it like a code and program information onto it, and then use our scanner, our specialized scanner, to retrieve that information. And because each one is unique, we can attribute them, or have individuals acquire them, like me or you, and they can be a little extension of your personality. So it's Raina. Let's press, and that's Raina's profile.
Would you be able? Do you think soon you'll be able to make them different colors?
Yeah, actually, if you think about it, it could be any kind of pattern.
Can you use Ben's phone to charge her?
It could be any kind of pattern, right? It could be circles, it could be camouflage, it could be diagonal, it could be pink, it could be red, it could be red and pink, actually. So yeah, there's sort of endless possibilities for the patterns.
Cool.
What do you think? What would you put on there as an avatar?
I do like to sew, though.
You like to sew?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So our whole mission, so AFFOA, the company that makes all of this, is a non-profit that's focused on revolutionizing textiles and the fabrics and the fibers that we use in our fabrics. So imagine being able to sew fabric that can change color. That would be pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Or fabric that has like LED lights in it.
Well, that's already a thing.
Well, the fabric itself, though. No battery.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Or fiber that can just like store electricity or cool or warm or sense your vitals. There's endless possibilities. Yeah, that's what we do. So we have a lot of people that actually sew every day. That's their job. They take these advanced fibers and they make all sorts of stuff out of them.
Cool.
Yeah, it's really fun. You guys should come.
Okay, we'll do that.
It's actually kind of a cool intersection of technology and coding and like the arts of sewing and fabric, right? It's super fun.
All right, thank you.